Imagine walking into a pet store 5 years from now. On one shelf, you see cheap plastic toys, synthetic leashes, and products wrapped in layers of packaging. On the other shelf, you see biodegradable poop bags, organic pet shampoos, recycled fabric beds, bamboo feeding bowls, and sustainable toys made from natural materials. Which shelf do you think more pet owners will choose? The answer might surprise you. Around the world, millions of pet owners are no longer shopping based only on price. They're asking new questions. Is this product safe for my pet? Was it made responsibly? Is it harming the environment? This shift isn't just changing shopping habits. It's creating an entirely new business opportunity. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to start an eco-friendly pet supply brand from scratch. We'll cover how to find winning product ideas, choose sustainable materials, source reliable manufacturers, build a trustworthy brand, avoid beginner mistakes, and create a business that pet owners genuinely love. Whether you want to start with a few $100s or build a premium global brand, this video will give you a practical roadmap from idea to launch. Let's get started. The global pet industry has grown into one of the biggest consumer markets in the world. People increasingly consider their pets to be family members rather than just animals. As a result, they're spending more on better food, safer toys, comfortable bedding, grooming products, travel accessories, health supplements, and personalized care. At the same time, environmental awareness is growing across almost every industry. Consumers are paying attention to plastic waste, carbon emissions, unsustainable manufacturing, and excessive packaging. These two trends are intersecting in a fascinating way. Pet owners want products that are not only good for their dogs, cats, rabbits, birds, or other companions, but also good for the planet. This is exactly where eco-friendly pet brands are finding success. But here's something important to understand. Starting an eco-friendly brand doesn't simply mean putting the word "green" on your packaging. Today's customers are informed. They research products, read reviews, and expect companies to back up their environmental claims with genuine actions. If your brand isn't authentic, people will notice. If it is authentic, however, customers often become incredibly loyal because they feel they're supporting a company that shares their values. That's the real opportunity. Before thinking about products, logos, or websites, you need to understand who you're serving. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is trying to sell to every pet owner. Instead, successful brands focus on a specific audience. For example, you could target dog owners who love hiking and outdoor adventures. They may be interested in durable recycled material leashes, collapsible travel bowls, and compostable waste bags. Or perhaps you want to serve apartment pet owners looking for eco-friendly indoor toys that are safe, quiet, and long-lasting. Maybe your audience consists of cat owners who prefer natural scratching posts, organic catnip toys, or biodegradable litter accessories. The more specific your audience becomes, the easier it is to create products they genuinely want. Next, study existing brands. Don't copy them. Instead, ask questions like, what products appear repeatedly? What customer complaints show up in reviews? Are people asking for more durable materials? Do they mention poor stitching, weak packaging, slow delivery, or misleading sustainability claims? Customer complaints often reveal your biggest business opportunities. Every negative review is essentially free market research. Instead of viewing competitors as obstacles, think of them as teachers. Their strengths show you what customers value, while their weaknesses reveal gaps waiting to be filled. Once you've identified your target audience, it's time to decide what you'll actually sell. Many beginners make another costly mistake. They launch 20 or 30 products immediately. This creates inventory challenges, quality control issues, and unnecessary financial risk. Instead, start with one small collection. A focused product line allows you to perfect quality, customer service, and branding before expanding. Some excellent eco-friendly product categories include biodegradable poop bags, hemp or organic cotton collars and leashes, bamboo feeding bowls, recycled plastic grooming brushes, natural rubber chew toys, organic shampoos, compostable waste disposal products, recycled fabric pet beds, refillable grooming supplies, and sustainable travel accessories. But don't choose products simply because they're environmentally friendly. They must also solve a real problem. Ask yourself, does this save pet owners time? Is it safer than traditional alternatives? Does it last longer? Is it easier to clean? Does it improve a pet's comfort? Sustainability should enhance the product, not replace functionality. People usually buy products because they solve problems. The environmental benefit becomes an additional reason to choose your brand over competitors. This is where your brand begins to earn credibility. Every material you choose tells a story about your company. Instead of relying heavily on virgin plastics, consider materials such as bamboo, cork, hemp, organic cotton, recycled polyester, recycled ocean plastics where appropriate, natural rubber, responsibly sourced wood, recycled paper packaging, and compostable plant-based materials. However, sustainability isn't only about the material itself. It's also about durability. A toy that lasts 3 years is often more environmentally friendly than a biodegradable toy that needs replacing every month. Likewise, minimal recyclable packaging may have a much lower environmental impact than elaborate decorative boxes filled with unnecessary plastic inserts. As you evaluate suppliers, don't just ask about price. Ask where the materials come from, how they're processed, whether quality is consistent, and what environmental standards they follow. Now that you've decided what to sell and which materials you'll use, the next step is finding the right manufacturer. This decision can determine whether your business builds a strong reputation or struggles with constant customer complaints. Many first-time entrepreneurs focus almost entirely on finding the cheapest supplier. While keeping costs low is important, choosing the lowest price often comes with hidden trade-offs, such as inconsistent quality, poor communication, delayed shipping, or products that don't match your sustainability standards. Instead, look for manufacturers that are transparent about their production process. Ask detailed questions about where they source their raw materials, how they handle waste, and whether they have certifications or quality control procedures in place. Always request samples before placing a large order. A product might look perfect in photos, but when you hold it in your hands, you may notice rough stitching, weak materials, unpleasant odors, poor finishing, or packaging that doesn't reflect your brand's values. Test every product yourself. If it's a dog toy, check how durable it is after repeated use. If it's a leash, inspect the strength of the stitching and hardware. If it's a shampoo, evaluate the packaging, scent, ingredients, and ease of use. Remember, you're not just selling products. You're building trust. Customers are trusting your brand with the safety and comfort of a beloved member of their family. That's a responsibility every eco-friendly business should take seriously. Here's something many people overlook. People rarely become loyal to products. They become loyal to brands. Think about the brands you personally admire. Chances are, it's not only because of what they sell, it's because of what they stand for. Your eco-friendly pet brand should have a clear mission beyond making sales. Maybe your goal is reducing plastic waste in the pet industry. Perhaps you donate part of every purchase to animal shelters or wildlife conservation projects. Maybe your packaging is completely recyclable, or you plant a tree for every order placed. Whatever your mission is, make it authentic and measurable. Customers appreciate honesty far more than exaggerated marketing claims. Your visual identity should also reflect your values. Choose clean, simple packaging instead of excessive decoration. Use earthy colors if they fit your brand, readable fonts, and high-quality product photography that showcases the materials honestly. Avoid making sustainability claims that you can't prove. If a product is partially recycled, say exactly that. If only the packaging is compostable, be transparent about it. Honesty builds long-term credibility, while misleading claims can permanently damage your reputation. Pricing is one of the biggest challenges for new entrepreneurs. Many assume that lower prices automatically lead to more sales. But that's not always true. Eco-friendly products often cost more to manufacture because they use higher quality materials, ethical production methods, and sustainable packaging. Trying to compete with mass-produced, low-cost alternatives on price alone is usually a losing strategy. Instead, compete on value. Help customers understand what makes your products different. Explain the quality of the materials. Show how long the products last. Highlight the safety benefits for pets. Demonstrate how choosing your product reduces waste compared to cheaper alternatives. People are often willing to pay more when they clearly understand what they're receiving in return. Also, don't forget to calculate every business expense before setting your price. Include manufacturing costs, shipping, packaging, branding, advertising, transaction fees, taxes, storage, returns, and customer support. A profitable business isn't one that sells the most products. It's one that earns a healthy margin while consistently delivering value. Even the best product won't succeed if nobody knows it exists. That's why marketing should begin long before your official launch. Start by documenting your journey. Share behind-the-scenes videos of product development, material selection, packaging design, and quality testing. People enjoy seeing the story behind a brand, and transparency helps create emotional connections. Educational content also works extremely well. Instead of constantly saying, "Buy our products," teach people something valuable. Create videos explaining how sustainable pet products reduce waste, how to choose safe toys for different breeds, or simple ways pet owners can make their daily routines more environmentally friendly. This positions your brand as a trusted source of knowledge rather than just another company trying to make sales. Encourage customers to share photos and videos of their pets using your products. User-generated content builds credibility because people tend to trust recommendations from other pet owners more than traditional advertisements. Finally, focus on building a community rather than simply collecting customers. Reply to comments. Answer questions. Celebrate customer stories. Listen to feedback. The strongest brands make people feel like they're part of something meaningful. Starting an eco-friendly pet supply brand isn't just about selling collars, toys, beds, or grooming products. It's about creating products that improve the lives of pets while reducing the impact we have on the planet. Success doesn't happen overnight. It comes from understanding your audience, choosing products that solve real problems, working with responsible manufacturers, staying honest about your sustainability efforts, pricing your products wisely, and building genuine relationships with your customers. The pet industry will continue to grow, and so will the demand for businesses that combine quality, innovation, and environmental responsibility. The question is no longer whether there's room for another eco-friendly pet brand. The real question is whether yours will be the one that pet owners remember. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dreaming of starting their own sustainable business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.